Red light, what do you say? Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop, stop right away. I say stop, stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? Yellow light, what do you say? I mean wait, 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 wait. I mean wait, 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 wait. Green light, what do you say? Green light, what do you say? I say go, go, but look both way. I say go, go, but look both way. How was the poem? Do you like the poem? Yes. Just now we have enjoyed the poem of the traffic light. That traffic light just tell us about the signals. Red signal say to stop. Yellow signal just say to wait till the light turn to the green. And the green light say you can go now, but first see both side. Okay, and this is our today's chapter also, chapter number 4 in our EVS book, and the name of the chapter is Safety First. As the traffic light is on the road for the road safety. Okay, so for first question is, what is the need of the safety? Everything around us is not safe. हमारे चारों तरफ जो भी चीजें हैं सब सेफ नहीं होती हैं. There are many things that can cause harm. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमको हार्म कर सकती है, मीन्स नुकसान पहुंचा सकती हैं. For example, road is for us to move, but if there is no road light and if the cars or the vehicles are coming from both sides, it may cause accident. So, we are safe if we are careful. So, if we are careful, अगर हम ध्यान रखते हैं तो हम safe means सुरक्षित रहते हैं. We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. और एक्सीडेंट को अवॉइड करने के लिए हमें क्या फॉलो करने चाहिए? सेफ्टी रूल्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सेफ्टी रूल्स. सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉर द रोड, सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉर द होम, सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉर द स्कूल. So we will just study one by one all the safety rules. The first we will read the safety on the road. Yes, students, at first we will see the safety on the road. What are the rules that we should follow on the road to avoid the accidents? Okay. So the first one is always walk on the footpath. Means if we are walking on the road, never walk on the mid part of the road. हमें रोड के बीच में नहीं चलना चाहिए. रोड के साइड में जो फुटपाथ बना होता है हमें वहां चलना चाहिए. The same you can see in your book also, that the boy is walking through the footpath. This is the footpath that is just parallel to the road. रोड के साइड में जो फुटपाथ बना होता है हमें वहीं पे वॉक करना चाहिए. The second is stand in queue at the bus stop. If you are waiting for the bus, maybe school bus or with your family you are going somewhere, if you are at the bus stop, always wait for the bus in a queue. Queue means हमें हमेशा लाइन में खड़े होके बस का वेट करना चाहिए और वन बाय वन ही बस में चढ़ना चाहिए और वन बाय वन ही नीचे उतरना चाहिए. Not to just push or pull to someone. हमें किसी को धक्का या खींचना नहीं चाहिए. We should always stand in a queue. Queue means in a line. Queue means in a line. You can see these students are waiting for the School bus in a queue. They are standing in a queue. The third is cross the road at zebra crossing. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Now, what is zebra crossing? Suppose this is the road. Okay? You are standing here. You are standing here and you have to cross the road. आपको रोड के इस साइड आना है. What will you do? You will run on the road? No. On the road there is the zebra crossing like this. Red and black lines are there. Sorry, black and white. Black and white strips are there. These strips are known as the zebra crossing. This is our which color? Black and white. Okay. This is known as the zebra crossing. Whenever you want to cross the road, not to cross from here, wrong. Not to run, no. Just always cross the road from this zebra crossing. Understand? Means we should cross the road from the zebra crossing. And this is the zebra crossing, okay? Zebra crossing. And which color this is? Black and white strips. These white and black strips are known as the zebra crossing. So whenever we are crossing the road, we will cross from the zebra crossing. Okay? After then, never play on the road. We should never play on the road because on the road there are lot of vehicles and they just move so fastly. So to avoid accident, we should never play on the road. हमें रोड पर कभी खेलना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि रोड पे तो बहुत सारी गाड़ियां आती हैं और वो बहुत ही स्पीडली मूव करती हैं. So to just avoid the accident, just play at your home or at the playground, not on the road. You can see here. This boy is playing football on the road. Is this good? No, this is wrong because you can see the bus is coming there. So we should never play on the road. We should always cross the road from the zebra crossing. After then, the next is do not travel on footboard. Do not travel on footboard. Footboard means if you are traveling on the bus, always sit on the seat. The first thing is not to stand on the bus and the second is जहाँ से हम चढ़ते हैं that is known as the footboard. You can see here in the picture. We should never stand here. हमें कभी भी यहाँ खड़े होके travel नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? Because it is dangerous. If the driver suddenly make a break, it is possibility that you will fall down and you will injured. So never travel on footboard. अगर आप किसी और को देखते हैं तो उसको भी बोलेंगे not to stand here. Okay? Then the next is do not get in or get off a moving bus. We should not get in. Get in means चढ़ना. Get off. Get off means उतरना. Moving bus. हमें चलती हुई बस में ना तो चढ़ना चाहिए रनिंग करके ना ही चलती हुई बस से कभी नीचे उतरना चाहिए. Means first we will say to driver, please stop the bus, and when he will stop the bus, after only then we will get in or get off of the bus. I hope all of you understand the safety rules on the road. The first we have read, walk on the footpath, stand in queue at the bus stop, cross the road at the zebra crossing, cross the road at the zebra crossing, never play on the road, do not travel on the footboard, do not get in or get off of a moving bus. These were and the main is traffic light. If you are just moving with your parents or anyone, and if you say the red light, what you will say to your father? Father, please stop. That is the red light. Okay, and we should follow the safety rules. Red light means stop. When there is a yellow light, you can say, yes, Papa, now it's going to be green light. So we have to wait for a while. And when there is a green light, only then you have to just move ahead. उसके बाद ही आप आगे चलेंगे. तब तक आप आपकी कार, स्कूटी, बाइक, whatever you have to stop on the red light. Okay? And if you are traveling in the four-wheeler, always remember to fasten your seat belt. हमें हमेशा हमारी सीट बेल्ट बांधनी चाहिए. If you are sitting, just advise to other also. आपको दूसरों को बताना चाहिए. Please fasten the seat belt. Fasten means बांधना. Seat belt बांध लो. This was all for today. Today we just learn about the safety rules on the road. Just read it again at your home. I hope all of you just understand it. Thank you, students. Goodbye.